What's up? Order in the court, order. She wants order. Okay, y'all already know what time it is. Your favorite attorney, Attorney Ali Booker. Okay, welcome to Order in the Court. You write me, Booker at bookerlawfirm.com. Okay, and then I bring it to the court of my public opinion. Don't take this as legal advice because I don't technically represent you. I don't have all the facts in front of me to be able to say that this is advice. But I will tell you that I'm going to attack this the same way that I attack it with my clients. I'm going to be straight up with you and very direct. Don't get mad at me. I'm this hard on myself. Without further ado, let's get it crack-a-lacking. What if I didn't show up for a divorce hearing and child support custody hearing together? Can the judge sign off all my rights? Well, I was in the process of getting divorced, but I was living in a different town 3 hours away, so I didn't get to make it to the divorce hearing, but only because I didn't go and my ex-wife knew she was dying. Well, now they're stating that since I did not attend that hearing, my ex-wife got sole custody of our son, and on her will, she supposedly left my brother in charge of all rights. So our son is going to my brother. She did end up dying, but I can't have any contact with my son. What can I do? Stop fucking lying. That's the first thing I want you to do. Y'all, I'm not going to deal with the lies, okay? I'm going to call them out. I'm going to deal with them because I deal with them every day, okay? But I want you to understand that I see right through them, motherfucker. I see you, okay? And I don't care if you were 10 hours away. That's a divorce and a custody hearing, bitch. If you got to catch a bird beat, bitch, jump on a whale, a dolphin's back, get your ass to court. People have to understand that it's not going to be good if you just don't show up at court. Whatever the hell the other person asks for, they're going to get. If it's $1 million they want from you, given the right circumstances, they're going to get that judgment. If you don't show up, make sure you show up to court. That's not something that you do. And a lot of the time, you all need to lawyer up. That way, if you're unable to make it to court, your lawyer is standing there. At least they can move for a reset or something. But what in the world is going on? I think you didn't want to show up. The reason that I think you didn't want to show up is because you didn't want to face the shit she was going to say about you. You didn't have shit because this was a divorce and a child custody here. So clearly you didn't have no damn property. Okay? You didn't have shit. You probably moved out, took what was on your back, and you were gone. So you didn't care about that. You clearly don't have a retirement. I mean, I don't think you do because you would have came to protect it. So the only person that did have anything was her, and she's passing on. She did give the child to your brother, so that means that your ass is just out of line some kind of way. She does want the child to know his or her family, and she wants your lineage to be protected. She's protecting your lineage when your ass is not, because you didn't even come to court, sir. So that child could have been given to the damn maid down the street, a dog, paw. The dog could have been coming to put the child up in his fingertip and Cadillac on with the baby. We don't know what the fuck is going on. Anybody could have got that child, long story short, is what I'm trying to say. Okay? Anybody. Because she could have put that in her will. You never showed up to say anything. And the thing is, no. So now there's sole custody over there with your brother. She's passed on. When she passes on, what happens is your mother and your parents automatically get visitation. Okay? So your parents can go for visitation. You need to do the same thing. You need to file a modification with your brother. You're going to have to sue your brother because your brother has sole custody. But your brother knows every dirty, dog, deep, disgusting secret about you. And if your ass is not all the way together, don't go up there trying to get custody of your child from your brother. Just go up in there asking for visitation. And if you're adult parent, don't even ask for that. Ask for supervisor. Stop playing games with yourself. Don't play games with this court, and don't try to judge either. Because judge, I don't care what anybody says. A lot of motherfuckers, they are very spiritually inclined, and I don't care what, like, a lot of them. There are some that people are like, oh, they're evil. There are some that are evil, but there are some that are so in tune with the universe, it's absolutely disgusting. And they can smell a liar from, like, fucking out the door. As soon as you walk in the court, they look up and they're like, he's a liar. And I don't know how in the hell they have that. I don't know if it's because they deal with so many people, they see so many people lying, but they are taught how to pay attention to people and catch a liar, okay? And don't go in there with the bullshit. There's a reason why your ass and just don't come and don't tell nobody you're 3 hours away. Don't tell nobody that story to say I was defaulted. Just come on with I was defaulted, and sole custody was given to my ex who's now passed on. I was going to take her back to court so that I could get the visitation that I needed, okay? However, now my brother has a child, so I'm bringing him in, okay? I know I owe child support in a certain amount. Come on in there, and you'll be able to get some visitation for your child. Custody is not something I see for you right now because she went out of her way to make sure it was not you and your brother for a reason. This Next case. Next case.
Biggest time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm. They got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.